In this module, we'll be covering how to import users from a CSV file. To begin, you'll first need to download the user CSV template from JumpCloud's admin portal. You can do this simply by hitting the green plus button in the top left and selecting Import from CSV in the dropdown. A pop-up will appear asking you for two options: Download CSV template, Upload CSV for import. Go ahead and download the CSV template first and begin to fill out the template with your user's information. In our example, I'll be using an example list of the US presidents and uploading the CSV through the admin portal. Once your CSV is completed and filled out, go back to the JumpCloud admin portal, hit the green plus button, select Import from CSV, and select the second option, Upload CSV for import. Select your CSV file and hit Upload. This will bring up a selection of the users you'd like to import from the CSV. If you wish to select all users, go ahead and click on the checkbox in the top left to select all. You'll see the importation status as well as notifying you of any failures or issues with the user's entries. Once the upload of the CSV has been completed, you'll receive an email notification showing the final report of the CSV upload of the users. You can download the CSV again to confirm that the selected users have been successfully imported. The users will be in an inactive state. If you wish to activate their JumpCloud accounts now, you can do so by either selecting the users from the user list and clicking the Resend Email button at the top right. This will send them the welcome activation email to set their JumpCloud password and self-activate their account. Please continue on to the next chapter in this module covering importing users via CSV with JumpCloud's PowerShell module.